Hey, you guys. Kathy Dryden, Monday Live Action. Hopefully you are having a good first day of your week. Busy around here, but it's okay because I'm prepped, ahead, and ready. So this is our micro-cooker set. It comes with 3 pieces with lids, and they all go in the microwave, and they all go in the dishwasher. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cook part of my dinner in this because I'm prepped ahead, but I'm also prepping tomorrow's meal as well. So this is called the micro cooker large one. It comes in the set, but it used to be called the rice cooker. So this is probably still the rice cooker. It's that old. And I love that you can cook in the microwave things that are ready. So it has a piece on here that will make it not overflow. So you can do pasta, you can do vegetables, you can do all kinds of stuff. So I'm prepping my rice ahead for tomorrow's meal, but that's gonna cook with some other stuff. So I just use my prep bowl and do rice. I do 1 cup, 1.5 actually, cups of rice. And then I do 3 cups of water. So it's the same consistency or measurements that you would do for your stovetop rice, but you don't have to watch over it. It goes in the microwave, and what I like is if it's not ready, you just cook it some more. So it's perfect. Let me get a little bit more water. So what are you guys having for dinner? We're having a little barbecue. I'm repurposing some food, turning it barbecue style. Salt and pepper, hang on, I gotta do some salt. But we're having barbecue. So my question tonight was, comment your favorite barbecue spot. Even if it's from another state, we may have it here. We have a place called Mojo's here, and it's a blues kind of vibe. It has several kinds of barbecue options. Like it has North Carolina barbecue. I think it's North Carolina. It has, this is how I stir, you guys. I'm gonna put it in for 12 minutes. Depending on how much rice is in there is how long it's gonna take. But if it's not ready, I just do 3 more minutes. Like I can't do it wrong. Hang on, let me start. The other thing I'm gonna do is this rice, I always double cook it. 12 minutes. Start. Okay. Hopefully you didn't talk about it while I was gone. I wanted to share with you a new product. Actually, someone's going to get this as a freebie. So be commenting on here, you guys. Be commenting. This is our microwave cover, but it's collapsible. It goes in the dishwasher, but it goes right over a plate. And I love it because I don't want my brand new microwave to get splatters. And once you clean it out, you want to keep it nice and fresh. So it has an air hole, but if you don't need it for storage, leave it there. So I actually just store it in the microwave. So the other 2, I'm going to use one for broccoli, and this is how it's so fun to be prepped ahead. I don't have to go ahead and do the broccoli. It's done. And I put this in here. And the cool thing with these, it will steam broccoli. When you rinse it, that's enough water. I don't need to really add any other water in here. I may use just 1.5. But now this is ready for me to prep with something else. I love being prepped ahead, you guys. Like, do you see this? Let me just do a little bit more because I want to save some for another meal. All right. So this is going to go back in the fridge to use either in a salad or with dip and ranch. It's ready to go. This, I'm going to do some salt and pepper. I may, because it's been in the fridge, I prepped it yesterday. Let me do a little dab of water. But typically when you clean your broccoli or your cauliflower, the droplets are enough to steam it in this guy. Now people are cooking all kinds of things. Okay, so don't judge. Drop. All right, all kinds of things in these microwave pieces. My boys had these in college because it was perfect for heating up ramen noodles or soup in the microwave. It has little holes too. The one that I just put the rice in, what I like to do is rice, potatoes, I'll what do you call it? Clump them up, chop them up, chunk them up, potato chunks, and put water and a lot of salt, and then boil them in the microwave, because the lid, not this one, but that one, it's supposed to not boil over, and so you don't have a huge mess. This one is got the air holes, but it will kind of overflow in this, but the big one, it won't. Some people do their ground meat in this. They cook it in the microwave. I know that sounds weird, but it's doable if you want to do it that way. But this is gonna go in the microwave probably 5 minutes. I love it when it's bright green, but I also don't like it crunchy, so it depends on what that takes. So that's done. So the side dish is done. The side dish for tomorrow is ready. So the rice I always cook double. I don't know if there's something you guys do ahead that saves time, but I like to do the rice, double, because it is, hang on you guys. Hey, Allison! Nothing here in Utah. There's no barbecue in Utah? What? How do you live without barbecue? That's interesting. Okay. But I want to share with you, we're going to go over to the meat part. Let's just do it. Let's just go. Alrighty. Do I need anything? I might need salt. Here we go. All right, so we're going to go over here to my stove, and I have got to turn this on. That's a good start. But what I have is I made some barbecue pork in the slow cooker. So I took 2 pork loin. You guys guessed it yesterday. So I had some left over. So you know I like to make it twice. Make it once, use it twice. So I put it in our leak-proof containers that I'm in love with. This is the bigger out of the set of 3. And I used half of it. I've already got the peppers, the onions already in there, but all I seasoned it with was salt and pepper. So you can use it for whatever you want. I'm gonna use it for barbecue, okay? There is a night that oh man, you are spoiled with Texas, for sure. So this is our nonstick cookware line, and this is where the lids come off. I use this a lot. And you just take, not the lids, the handles come off. So if you have a storage issue, I'll show a picture of my cookware with this off, and then I have a little basket that has all the pieces. It doesn't matter which handle goes where. They kind of interact with each other. Okay, hang on, that's a little hot. All right, we're ready. But if you use these in the oven, you have to take the handles off. So if you have these, then hello. I know Martha just got hers replaced because something had happened on the bottom, and they gave her a whole new set. She just had to ship. So these are lifetime warranty, just like our new stainless pieces. All right, this is getting hot. And I'm using the new mats, you guys. Can you see them? And I love to put my lid there, but also use it as a spoon rest. Alrighty, you guys, how's it going? And now I'm just gonna add barbecue sauce. So our friends make, Randy and Jeannie, they have always made barbecue sauce. They used to sell it at a barbecue, a meat market here. It is amazing. My boys love this. They would eat it on their hot dogs, their sandwiches, but it is dreamy. But you can do any barbecue sauce if you don't have friends that make it for you. So I'm gonna mix this all in here, and then we're gonna make pork sliders with this. Last night we did nacho-y kind of vibe with cheese and cheese, sour cream, that kind of stuff. And that's how we used it. But this is gonna be ready for dinner. Once my broccoli's done, I'm good to go. So very easy dinner because I prepped ahead and I'm using it for a couple meals. So don't forget you can do that. So for instance, the meat for the meatloaf, doubled it. I have that waiting. I was actually gonna use that tonight, but I'm waiting till tomorrow, okay? So don't forget to comment your favorite barbecue place. Poor Allison has nothing in Utah, but she does know some Texas barbecue. And then comment, just comment something fun. I don't know. I love it. The other thing is we have a sale going on, you guys. And we have our multi-cooker, the pressure cooker. You see me do the eggs. You see me do a batch of chicken, a batch of meats. It is on sale, 15% off. The numbers in my head, I have no idea. It's like $2 something something, but it's $194. I do know that. So I have a couple hosts that are doing their shows this week, and so they're going to get it 60% off on the sale price. And if you've been a host over the past year, you have your 10% discount. We just use your email that we set the party up with, and you are good to go. Okay, so don't forget, you can always get anything that I show. We have our mystery hosts going on. Last night, this morning, Mandy CC ordered. A couple people ordered on that link, and so their name goes in the drawing. So if you book a party or you order on the link, I'll put it in the comments, then every $50 you spend, your name goes in the drawing. I'm doing other giveaways too, but my favorite is giving away the host rewards to one fun friend that is part of our kicking crew. All right, you guys, have a good night. Yippee skippy. Hopefully you had a good Monday so far, and don't forget to comment. Don't forget. Bye.